a small vision has started the first explorer of aluminum tent structures in China, which is also the largest manufacturer and rental company. Established in 1997, Liri Tent is mainly engaged in the design, manufacture, sale, and rental of aluminum clear-span tent structure systems. In the 2 decades, branch companies were founded in Guangzhou, Beijing, Shanghai, Chengdu, and some overseas countries. The total asset reaches 200 million CNY. The factory covers over 120,000 square meters with 500 staff. It's the global base of tent production. Liri Tent is providing the most professional services for exhibitions, events, storage warehouses and industry functions, sport venues, military functions, and other temporary applications. The perfect solutions for outdoor mobile space can be worked out by Liri Tent with the honesty and professionalism.